welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today again I'm doing an unboxing. This unboxing was a surprise for me because I was not expecting any of the packages to come before October. So this is really early, like October 1st week and September 2nd week actually is really close, really far away, and I wasn't expecting any of the packages to come by. I really don't know if this package is from Amazon or from Wish, because I ordered a bunch of packages from each websites and I haven't peeked into it. It just came in today. So let me go ahead and cut the package and then we'll open it together. You guys can see that I was really excited and eager to open this package, right? I was really happy that something showed up because I was not expecting anything to come before October. So this is really a quick delivery. Okay, so first things first, here's the painting. Not sure what painting it is because, like I mentioned, I'm not sure where it came from. And it does not say on the package where it came from because it came from China. And all the packages, regardless of whether I ordered it from Amazon or on Wish, they are all coming from China. So I have no idea. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and unroll this off camera so that it's easier and I don't knock down my camera. Although it comes rolled with a foam roller, which is amazing. I really like that. That reduces the creases. For some reason I feel that I'm sorry, I'm taking my own sweet time of unrolling this, rolling it the other way, but I feel like it is amazing when they roll it with the foam roller, because that gives it less creases than if they don't roll it with the foam roller and just hold it, because then it has some creases on the painting. Okay, and here it is. Voila, I think I messed it up. And I still don't know what painting it is. Okay. Oh, I know what it is. It is from Wish, guys. This painting is from Wish. And I have always had issues. Wow. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. I did try to put it back the way it was, and I might have had an accident here, but I might be able to just stick something else on it, and I think I should be okay. Let me tell you one thing. When I open this package or open this cover from the top, the glue is really sticky. It is really sticky. Also I saw a few bubbles here and there, but I think that would not be the seller's fault. It would be my fault because I manhandled it not well. And I can't tell you the number of colors this painting has, and I don't know if you can see the painting right here. It is too light, but it is a full drill painting. Let me look inside the other package contents and see if they have sent me something that I can pull out a photo with. Woohoo, a lot of different colors. Okay, so they did send me an inventory sheet, guys. I hardly ever get any inventory sheets from any of the sellers, and I really appreciate them sending me one inventory sheet. And let me see if you guys can see this painting right here. Yep, this is the painting, the mugs or the cups and saucers. And let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 colors. That is beautiful. This is 30 by 45 in size, which is amazing too. Also, they have given the DMC code right here, which is awesome. And it tells me the number of bags. I think this is number of bags, I'm not sure, but it does give me some kind of quantity, and this is the number of diamonds they have in for each color. So this is the quantity, so this probably is the number of bags. Here are the diamonds, and this is something for the first time that I have seen. They have, wait, let me pull a lighter color or a darker color. If you can see, they have the numbers printed in gold, which is kind of cute, I feel, and I really like it. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of colors, 38 different colors. Yay. I'm not going to be able to this is beautiful. And then there's some baggies in here. This, I really like the, it's neutral colors, or it's a mixture of warm and cold colors or neutral colors, and they are really pastel, and I really love them. Also, the quality of the drills is pretty beautiful. Like, nothing is mixed, none of the package is broken. I really I'm thankful that this package is not broken. Although for this color, say this is 928, the package is this little, which is kind of cute too. I've never had anybody send me the kit with gold numericals printed on top of the packages. Leave me in the comments below if you have received something so cute and printed with gold on top of the baggies. I really, that really makes me so happy. You just can't believe, you cannot see the smile on my face, but I'm really happy how the gold on these little bags made me happy. Even though I'm just going to open it, cut it open and get rid of the baggies of this plastic bags that they come in, but still, I don't know why it makes me so happy. So there's something else, probably that's the toolkit that is in the bag. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, it's a basic toolkit, nothing special. It has one side pick, one pick side, and again, I don't know if this is 6 or 9, okay, but there's a two-sided pick, a pair of tweezers. Yay, I have a whole collection of tweezers, I really love them. And then standard green boat and a big sheet of wax. Also, I will leave the link in the description for you guys. This definitely came from the app Wish, and I think I only paid shipping for this, I'm not sure, and even if I did pay something, it might be $1 or something, not expensive. The most I paid, most of the stuff that I ordered from Wish, I think they were all just $1 or under $1, and then I paid shipping on top of that. This, I feel like it was a free painting. I'm not 100% sure right now if it was free, but let me show you the painting one more time. If you can see from this, I know there's a shadow of my camera on the paper, which is kind of silly, but this is how it looks like. So this is it, guys. I will definitely do a review on how this painting is. Let me just peel a little bit from this side and show you how sticky it is. See, I can't even lift my finger off it from on top of it, and I'm sticking stuff on it. Let me close it before there's another accident and I mess this painting up. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Oh, great. Okay, so I've gotten into another accident, but I think I should be okay. Yep, so this is it, guys. All this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful drills, and I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the quality of this diamond painting kit. I was not so sure about it. I was definitely skeptical how good the quality would it. I did see a couple of bubbles here and there on the painting, but I think it was my fault and not the seller's fault. So definitely will do an update on this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment below if you have done a similar kit, or if you have done any diamond painting kits that from Wish, and how was your experience with it. Also, I'm really loving the shipping time. It just came in really quick time. I was expecting it to come in October first week, but we are just in mid-September and it's already here. To share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell button while you are at subscribing to my channel to stay in the loop of all the new videos I post. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.